This is International Relation MCQ series. This video series will help you prepare the MCQs portion of any exam regarding the subjects of international relation, especially the competitive exam. In this video, we will discuss the next 30 MCQs regarding the approaches to peace. When two multilateral treaties are in force in respect of the same subject matter, one concluded consequent to the other, then options are: since each treaty is based on express consent of states parties to it, continues to exist independently of the other, even for states parties to both the treaties. The provision of the latter treaty shall prevail over those of the earlier treaty in respect of the same states parties to both the treaties. The latter treaty shall prevail over the earlier one. And fourth option is: the validity of the earlier treaty shall be subject to adjudication by the International Court of Justice. So third is the right answer here, which is the later treaty shall prevail over the earlier one. Later treaty will prevail. A newly independent state, options are: succeeds to treaties which were applied to its territory by the former administrating state, has a right not to be bound by the earlier treaties, is not bound by any earlier treaties except those determining boundaries, continues to be bound by all multilateral treaties which applied to its territory at the time of its independence. Third is the right answer here, which is a newly independent state is not bound by any earlier treaties except those determining boundaries. The Latin American concept of ante possidetis juris is related to succession to: options are state archives, state property, public debt, former colonial order. Second is the correct answer, which is state property. Irrespective of its rudimentary character, international law is: options are more honored in the breach than in the observance, more honored in the observance than in the breach, no law at all, a code of ethics. Second is the correct answer, which is a more honored in the observance than in breach. A law of nations or international law is the name for a body of customary and treaty rules which are considered legally binding by civilized states in their intercourse with each other. This definition was given by: options are Bradley, Stark, Oppenheim, Higgs. Third is the correct answer, which is Oppenheim. This definition was given by Oppenheim. Subject of international law are: options are states, individuals, both, none of these. So the third is the correct answer, which is both. Both states and individuals are the law of subject of international law. So third is the right answer. The General Assembly is: options are an ordinary organ of the UNO, a principal organ of the UNO, a check on the Security Council, none of these. Second is the right answer, which is the principal organ of UNO. And I'm just asking MCQ, just tell me in the comment section that how many are there total principal organ of UNO. Answer this in the comment section. League of Nations was not joined by: options are France, UK, USA, none of these. So third is the right answer, which is USA. The League of Nations was not joined by USA. Judges of the ICJ are: options are elected by the Security Council, elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council, appointed by the Secretary General in consultation with the 5 permanent members of the Security Council, none of these. So the right answer is, second is the right answer here, which is elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council. Under the Convention of the Law of Sea, the breadth of the territorial sea is: options are 6 nautical miles, 8 nautical miles, 12 nautical miles, none of these. Third is the right answer, which is 12 nautical miles. A state can use force: options are by entering into treaty with another state, in its own defense, at its own discretion, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is in its own defense. Diplomatic relations are established by: options are unilateral action, mutual agreement, decision of neighboring states, none of these. Second is the correct answer here, which is mutual agreement. Rights of landlocked states are governed by: it is landlocked, not handlocked. Rights of landlocked states are governed by: options are rules of customary international law, Convention on the Law of Sea, Mutual consent, none of these. Second is the correct answer, which is Convention on the Law of Sea. The rights of landlocked states are governed by the Convention on the Law of Sea. Vienna Congress took place in, options are 1945, 1919, 1815, none of these. Third is the correct answer, which is 1815. Vienna Congress took place in 1815. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was signed in, options are 1948, 1966, 1968, none of these. And it is important MCQ. The right answer is 1948. First is the correct answer, 1948. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was signed in 1948. It is important MCQ. The United Nations is, options are a supra-state organization, a creation of member states, has no link with states after its establishment, none of these. So second is the right answer, which is creation of member states. Territorial asylum is, options are an impingement of territorial sovereignty granted by mutual consent, an exercise of territorial sovereignty, none of these. Third is the correct answer, which is an exercise of territorial sovereignty. Territorial asylum is an exercise of territorial sovereignty. A state is, options are bound to recognize a new state, not bound to do so, required to enter into dialogue with the new state for recognition, none of these. So the right answer here is not bound to do so. Second is the correct answer here, which is not bound to do so. A state is not bound to recognize a new state. Manquez and Acrihos case was decided by, options are a Permanent Court of International Justice, International Court of Justice, Europe Court of Human Rights, none of these. So second is the right answer, which is International Court of Justice. Manquez and Acrihos case was decided by International Court of Justice, ICJ. The eruption of war termination, options are all treaties, only political treaties, no treaties, none of these. Second is the right answer, which is only political treaties. The eruption of war terminates only political treaties. International law can, options are compel a state to settle a dispute, provide moral support to an issue in dispute, furnish legal substance to an issue in dispute, none of these. Second is the correct answer here, which is provide moral support to an issue in dispute. The concept of state immunity is, options are a derogation from sovereignty of a state, an attitude of territorial sovereignty, not concerned with the territorial sovereignty, none of these. Second is the correct answer here, which is an attitude of territorial sovereignty. The concept of state immunity is basically an attitude of territorial sovereignty. The continuity of a state as international legal person is, options are affected by the change of government, depends upon the recognition of a new government, not affected by the change of government, none of these. Third is the right answer, which is not affected by the change of government. So the continuity of a state as an international legal person is not affected by the change of government. Third is the right answer here. Herman Doctrine is, options are part of international law, was renounced before it could take roots in international law, is attempting to earn general acceptance, none of these. Second is the right answer here. Herman Doctrine was renounced before it could take roots in international law. It was renounced. This is Herman Doctrine. So these are few questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here to solve these questions, so you can know that how many of these MCQs you have actually memorized. So see you in next video.